Shell on me,
Then how loud on be?
You probably had shit on take the seasoning out of it. We got a piece of shrimp. So I'm not eat it with the shell on it. It's seasoned pretty good. So no, we don't have no sauce on the side since it's full of seasoning. We already got high blood pressure. We don't need no extra sodium, too much sodium. But if you want to make some butter seasoning with the seasoning, cause I ain't thinking about to ask my daughter got everything together. Yeah, we should have cut up some onions, sauteed them, and put them in with the seasoning. But I also didn't want to burn my hand because I'm hungry. What you say, mister?